What does your ideal bathroom look like? What furniture and sanitary ware should you choose? This factory has the answers to all your questions. Hundreds of original designs, imported materials, and solutions that will satisfy even the most demanding client. Friends, this factory can truly surprise you. So give us a like and watch this video until the end. The factory was founded in 2013 and has established itself as an independent design brand specializing in the production of bathroom furniture and sanitary ware. This is not your average factory that churns out replicas from a standard model. Behind the development of all the factory's product models is a team of designers tasked with combining elegance, style, modernity, tradition, and of course quality to create furniture and sanitary ware that stand out for their individuality. When working on each collection, the brand focuses on a vibrant palette, bold solutions, and high-quality craftsmanship. And for the production of its products, the factory uses high-quality, mostly imported materials such as marble, natural veneer, and branded fittings. For decorating its collections, the factory mainly uses decorative veneer from the Italian brand ALPI. The brand was founded in 1919 and specializes in the production of veneer. Many renowned designers have contributed to their collections. For example, Kengo Kuma, Patricia Urquiola, and Ettore Sottsass. For the design of this model, veneer is used that was developed back in the 1980s. The designers liked that the shades of black, white, and gray resemble Chinese painting. And they brought this concept to life here. On top, there is a countertop made of artificial stone with an integrated sink. Another example of using veneer is Ettore Sottsass. Here, it is in a bright red shade. Another type of veneer is also used here, which softens the look and makes everything more harmonious. A natural marble countertop is used here. There is also an insert for storing cosmetics and other bathroom accessories, made from the same veneer, and they complete this composition beautifully. Here is this asymmetrical mirror. Friends, take a look at this masterpiece. The factory put a lot of effort into its production. First, she bought the facades in Italy, then they were sent to another factory in Germany where very high-quality perforation was done. Thousands and thousands of holes were made in these facades, which are illuminated from the inside, and now you can see this gorgeous, beautiful pattern. It's truly a real art object. In my opinion, it's so beautiful, it's just mind-blowing. On top, there's a countertop made of natural marble. Now let me show you the quality of the details. Inside, the cabinet is made of natural veneer. Look at how high quality everything is, so neat, the gluing is perfect, all the seams are flawless. I don't see any flaws here at all. Everything is neatly covered, especially where the bolts are installed. In my opinion, this is truly impeccable work. Everything is done just perfectly. Friends, I want to remind you that my company, GLOBUS, supplies premium furniture, sanitary ware, and lighting to countries all over the world. We have the largest office and the biggest team of employees. We guarantee you excellent service. There are two ways you can purchase furniture with our company. One is Press China, which is our so-called furniture tour to China service. We will accompany you to all the factories, help you choose everything. You just need to focus on making your selection. We will take care of everything else ourselves. And the second option is to buy everything online. We have developed an excellent platform. Our developers have been working on improving it for over 5 years. Right now, you can go to our website and see the range of products, the prices, and the terms. At the moment, there are more than 30,000 products available. In addition, I suggest you contact our managers and we will provide a free estimate for your product so you can see just how appealing this is for you right now. So, send in your requests. If you're not ready to go for bold design choices, I think you'll really like this kind of design. Here, veneer from designer Matteo Ragna is used, and he was inspired by fabrics like velvet. And truly, when you touch it, you feel as if you're touching fibers. I'm not sure how well the camera conveys this. But in reality, it adds a certain depth and interesting sensations. The tabletop on top is made of baked stone. If you're not yet familiar with this material, you can watch the video at the link. We explained all the nuances and all the advantages of this material. Check it out, you'll definitely find it interesting. I also like that this electric blue color is used here. It's used in the cabinet and also in the mirror itself. This adds an interesting contrast, and the design really becomes very captivating. If you've been watching our videos for a while, you're probably familiar with the names Fernando and Humberto Campana. The Brazilian duo has contributed to most of Edra's models. If you like Edra furniture, you can watch our video at this link. When creating this beautiful veneer, the Campana brothers were inspired by a fish called Pirarucu, which lives in the Amazon basin to this day. But even this fish has become very rare. It is used only for some luxury collections, for luxury wall finishes, and sometimes even for panels, including certain accessories. But this is already a very expensive story. And in a way, it's rare as well. And when creating this veneer, the brothers tried to recreate the maximum beauty of the Pirarucu skin, which is mysterious and unique in its own way. On top, there is natural marble Pandora pattern. And this stone reveals itself to the fullest when lighting is installed inside. If you dim the lights and turn it on, it looks absolutely stunning. And to complete this composition, here is such a beautiful mirror. Friends, I just couldn't walk past this wonderful space. I believe that if you have the space, you definitely need to install such beauty. In addition to furniture, the factory also offers solutions for faucets and shower systems. In glossy and matte finishes, the main colors are gold, silver, and bronze. The main highlight of this space is this marble bathtub. It is made from imported marble, like many other models, because in China, the production of light-colored marble is limited, and there aren't enough of the colors that manufacturers need. Behind me, there are wall-mounted vanities installed above. The countertop is also made of natural marble. In addition, I wanted to mention that the manufacturer also makes partitions, and I actually like them. I tried them myself and was impressed by the quality. They close very softly, yet securely. So with this manufacturer, you can fully furnish your rooms. Starting from the installation of shower systems, partitions, bathroom furniture, smart toilets, faucets, everything you need. I want to note that marble bathtubs, of course, are very expensive and not suitable for everyone. You can consider acrylic alternatives. If you're interested in such bathtubs, follow the link and watch our video. Here's another bathroom design option from the manufacturer. The difference here is that instead of a marble bathtub, an acrylic stone bathtub is installed. By the way, many of our clients choose exactly these kinds of bathtubs. If you're interested, just send us a request. Or you can visit our website. We already have a lot of acrylic bathtubs added, so take a look and choose. Another luxurious set that uses wine-colored marble. The only thing I found was that the sinks here could be uncomfortable if you choose the wrong ones. Tap. Therefore, carefully select faucets for such sinks and you will find them convenient to use. The factory offers models not only for residential spaces, but also for commercial projects. Look at this beauty. On top, there is a marble countertop set on a cabinet made of natural wood. At the back, there's a huge round mirror with lighting that turns on with motion, just like in many other models. And next to it, there's a freestanding faucet. Friends, I personally had a great time while we were filming this episode. If you're interested in any of the models from this episode, please get in touch with us. We will provide detailed prices, catalogs, and explain everything to you. A furniture tour in China. It's not just about the savings, the wealth of customization, and the huge selection. It's also about the great convenience that our company, GLOBUS, provides. In particular, you can choose all your products in one place without having to run around to 100 or even 500 other companies. Ordering curtains in one place, furniture in another, and plumbing somewhere else. With our service, we've organized the entire process this way. You work with a single manager who finds all the products you need. It's truly very convenient. Leave a request on our website, and our managers will provide a free estimate for your project.